Oh, he's just not ready at all.
Hang on.
Richard's setting up his camera bag. New camera bag. He's copied me.
Hello.
He's got the Gitzo Adventure 45.
Yes, I have, Gemma.
Merry Christmas to you, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Richard is ready.
I am.
Gonna pay attention or
I
not?
am.
Where are we?
Flatford.
We're in
Gemma.
Flatford, and we're going for a. The sun's kind of. It's light. It's not really a sunrise.
No.
It's just gone 7 o'clock in the morning,
It has.
and we're going for some wintry, frosty scenes.
We are.
So we're going to get to it, and we'll keep you posted. Feels like I'm waiting a lifetime for Rich to just leave the car. He's got a new bag and a new setup, and he's really making a meal out of it. The next tricky bit is to be inspired and get some of these lovely willow trees along the along the river with the frost. Those geese. See if I can show you the geese. Here's some more. Now I like this tree in front of us here, and I've got to find Rich. Oh, he's there. See what he's got to say. Now I've lost all my filters. I've lost my polarized, the whole pack. Hopefully it's somewhere, but I haven't been able to find it for all week. So I think I might be possibly bracketing the shot. The conditions are quite nice. Rich is set up right over there.
Well,
Hello.
I haven't got my camera out yet, but the light has come.
You've got the drone out?
Yeah, I've got my. This is what I was just going to say. If you let me
I
speak.
assume you took pictures
I have
of that.
been taking pictures with the drone and got some different points of view, obviously. Points of view that you'd never get with a camera. The light has started to come. There's been some nice light, but I do believe, and I was just telling Gemma, we parked in the wrong place for the best trees, I think. But
No, I disagree.
well, you don't even know the trees I'm talking about, so how can you disagree? You've not even ever seen the trees that I'm talking about.
Because I'd have missed the trees that I've taken photographs
Well, yeah,
of.
fine. But the ones I want to get are further that way. Why did I just do that? Yeah, the trees I think are further along to the, where would that be? The north? Yeah, towards Dedham.
I've got to take a picture while the lights out.
But yeah, as Gemma said, the light is out. The light is out. The light is getting better at the moment. Don't know whether you can see on there, but yeah, the conditions have got better as the morning's gone on, which is not often you can say that when you get up for a sunrise shoot. But it's frosty, cold, very wintry, we're having fun. One thing I can't quite believe is how flooded the area has got now. I mean, I've been here because it's local. I've been coming here for years on and off, and normally even in the heaviest winter I've never known it to literally, this is the pathway, and I've never known it to be this waterlogged before. Can't quite understand why, but as you can see, the whole of this area is underwater. I'm hoping to get over there. It was definitely a good call getting the wellies today. As you can see, it's yeah, extremely waterlogged. Gemma is somewhere over there. I might have to get on the phone to her in a minute and just tell her to be extra careful wading through the water. The River Stour has burst its banks in places. Well, I finally got my camera out. I was about to give up really with the camera today. I was happy with the drone video and some of the stills I took with the drone. I was quite happy with those until I stumbled across this shot. It's the light coming through the trees and the back of the camera. I don't know whether that's visible there, but there's a nice frozen bit of water in front of the group of trees with the sun rising behind. It's still quite cloudy, so not struggling fighting with any harsh highlights too much, and it's picked up the nice reflection of the sun rising on the frozen water with the group of trees in the background and quite a moody sky, so I'm quite happy with that. Shot it at f11 and ISO 64, bracketed a couple of exposures to make sure I've got haven't blown the highlights. Gem is there. Oh, we have a hand up.
Hi.
As you can see, this is really, still can't get over how waterlogged the whole area is compared to days gone by.
The camera malfunctioned.
Oh dear. What happened? Is that a user error or equipment?
One of my lenses was in manual focus.
A manual?
I switched it to autofocus, and that's affected my touchscreen mechanism. And now
oh, I don't know, because I don't focus by touching the screen, so
yeah,
I'm old school.
I did and I didn't. It's been easier today to just touch.
I'm a manual focus kind of guy.
Oh, well, I was earlier, but you know.
Yeah.
It was easier, and I'm cold and.
Oh look, we've got some sun coming up now, Jem.
Oh Jesus!
It's got very bright all of a sudden. Pleased I took my picture when I did, because it's now gone.
Ooh, glare.
So, what have you thought about today?
It's been an absolute pleasure.
Good, I've enjoyed myself.
Being cold, numb feet.
I'll warm you up when we get back in the car.
Beg your pardon. I'm good, thanks. I've got a coffee in the car.
Oh, you're good. Okay. I
How
might get
close are you
I might get a McDonald's coffee.
Ooh,
Yeah.
coffee.
Well, oh, breakfast. Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah. I've hopefully got some nice shots.
Well, we couldn't come to Flatford without coming to the iconic location, made famous by the English landscape painter, constable. We are at
Done.
Willy Lott's cottage. Finishing off at the hay wain. We did notice as we walked to this location, which is only a 5-minute walk from where we were earlier on in the vlog, that the little tea shop is open, so we're gonna call in for a coffee.
I've got a coffee in the car.
Gemma's got a coffee in the car, but I haven't, so coffee and car. Yeah, as I was saying, we left our filter, well, I left mine at home, Gemma can't find hers, but we are waiting for our, or Gemma's / mine possibly as well, depending on how many she ordered, our new filter kit coming from Hong Kong, I think, the Revo Ring system. As soon as they arrive, we should be doing an unboxing and a mini review in one of our vlogs. Really looking forward to them, because they could be a game changer in terms of ease of use, less stuff to carry about, everything in one filter. For those that don't know, it's a filter ring that adjusts to the size of your lens. So I think it's, what are the sizes, Gem? 68 to 82 or 72 to 82 mil?
Yeah, no, 68.
68 to 82, and you fit that on the front of the lens, and then you use the combined circular polarizer and variable ND filter, which goes up to 10 stops, I believe. So we're really looking forward to those. As soon as they come, fingers crossed, we shall show you all.
I do say us.
Yeah. Don't like this clip.
Rich is there. You join us on a frosty morning. Oh, we wanted to.
I've got my clip wrong.
Oh. Hold on.